Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Lei. Last time I talked about we together discover four layers of human. Today we continue to discover true nature. What is the true nature? Why we have to why you have to decode true nature? As you know, in life, many people fight out true natures. When they are wrong, they always to be find success and happiness, but they don't be feel always feel stuck and empty in life. Also, they have a success. They have a beautiful life. So, what is a, they always to find peace and joy in the life. So, what is the peace and joy, and how to find peace and joy? True nature is helper to find out true peace and joy in the mind. When you have a peace and joy in the mind, you have a health, you have a good relationship, and you have a finance. Finance is very important. It's a basic foundation to a house, to for a person. It's one aspect of a person and the most important you need to build. Today we will decode together true nature. From that, people can find peace and joy. So, what is the true nature? True nature is that which don't don't change across space and time. You see around you, all the things change across space and time. For example, your house change across space and time. Your love, your marriage, and your, your car, everything is this, everything you can see, you can feel change across space and time. So this means that we don't have anything. We don't have anything in life does not change across space and time. No, it's very lucky we can find the true nature within ourselves. We focus in ourselves. True nature is what does not change across space and time. Success is find out that intention to see, intention to hear, intention to say, and intention to know is the true nature. It does not change across space and time. People, people always find out outside. People find out happiness and inner peace outside, but they don't find out that. They cling to what changing across space and time. That's reason they depend on external circumstances. They, when you cling to the thing in the trace, you don't control your life, and you always is influenced. You are influenced in circumstances. It's the reason you don't find happiness. You don't find inner peace. If you go back to yourself, you will find the true nature, true in yourself, because true nature is hidden in yourself. There are intention to hear, intention to see, and intention to say, and intention to know. When you hear, you see, you say, and know something, is a change across space and time, but intention to see, intention to hear, intention to say, intention to know does not change across space and time. When you understand it, you can find inner peace in the mind. When something go into with you remain a piece of time, piece of time to you receive a message without desire and thought, and you receive it as it. You don't distinguish, you don't analyze it. You always receive user. You always use the heart or mind to receive information. You don't have a interact it. You don't analyze and distinguish right or wrong through the natures. And you don't give any emotion about the message. At that time, you can receive true nature. When you find out that the emptiness of inner being is a true nature, you can don't don't be unhappy with other circumstances, with external circumstances. You don't cling to external circumstances. You can control your life. You can control yourself. And from that, you can have happiness, inner peace and joy and happiness. That's all about true nature. I hope that you can find when you understand intention to see, intention to hear, intention to know, intention to say is a true nature. When you understand emptiness of the inner being, you can understand that people don't have a problems, and you are when you understand true nature, you can control your life, and you can you can find peace and joy in the life. That's all about true nature. Thank you for your listening.